Okay, let's talk about how to enter data in a calculator. This TI-36X Pro is the calculator that you need. There's probably other calculators that will do what we need to do, but this is the most user-friendly. So let me show you what to do. First of all, you're going to hit the key called data. We're going to type those numbers up there that I've listed in L1. So let's just say you hit data and you have something there that you want to delete. You can hit data a second time and press enter, and it will clear that column for you. After you do that, you can just begin to enter the numbers like 4, enter, 7, 8, 9, 7, 4, 12, 9, 4. Alright, after you get the data in, you can hit second data. You want to use OneVer Stats, and you keep hitting enter until all of your data comes up. Alright, let's talk about what this means. N is the number of data values. That'll be important in statistics. X bar is the mean. That's very important. We'll use it a lot. SX is the sample standard deviation. Sigma X is the population standard deviation. This we won't use very much, but that E means the sum of. So if you took all those data values and added them up, they would add to 64. This would be if you squared all the data values and added them, that would be 516. The minimum value is 4. Quartile 1 is 4. The median is 7. Quartile 3 is 9. The max is 12. This does not give you the mode. So in order to find the mode, you would have to just look at the data and decide what occurs the most. All right, one more thing I want to talk about. Let's say you had a frequency diagram, which means if I go back here and take these values and I go to L2 and I want to say, okay, this appeared 5 times, and it would be set up in chart format, 2 times, 1 time, 6 times, 4 times, 2 times, 6 times, 2 times, 1 time. Alright, now you would not do this unless you had a chart in your book with a column called frequency. If it did, then you would have to go this route. Alright, to find your values now, we would hit second data again. We'd go to number 2. Right here, we'd keep data on L1, but the frequency would be on L2. That means that occurred that many times. And then there's my new calculations. Like there's 29 values. The mean is 7 point, that rounds to 8. The standard deviation, the sample one, is 2.9. The population standard deviation is 2.9. The sum of the x's is 226. The sum of x squared is 1998. The minimum value is 4. The quartile 1 is 4. Median is 8. Quartile 3 is 9. The max is 12. Alright, so that's how we'll use our calculator to do chapter 30.